guys, we'll get started. Tonight we got 2020 Chronicles, we got 2020 Donruss, we got 2019 Absolute, 2019 Rookie and Stars, and two 2019 Legacy Hobby Packs. And we'll just start with 2020 tonight, do it a little bit different. Good deal, Christian. Hope to see you back, man. Won't let you comment, Benjamin. I just got your message. Man, we got a good game on tonight between the Bucks and the Bears. I don't know who's gonna win this one. Right now the Bucks are up 10-0, but all right, we got Jack Youngblood, Jared Goff. We got Hunter Renfrow, Von Miller, DeMarcus Lawrence. We got Jacob Eason, rated rookie, McCole Hardman, and Big Ben. Yes, good deal, Colin. Kevin Beard, Joe Namath. There's the Jets. Mike Williams, Peyton Manning. And we got looks like a patch of Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. And we got Harrison Bryant, got Deontay Johnson, and Joe Montana. Always like sleeving up Joe Montana. He's the man. That one's actually going to the Chiefs. Got Roquan Smith, got Sean Taylor, Ryan Kerrigan, Chase Winovich, got Sony Michel, and got Jason Huntley for the Lions. That one's hard to read. Devontae Parker and Geno Atkins. Kenyon Drake, Matthew Stafford. We got Danny Dimes, Mark Andrews, and we got a red parallel, Tyler Lockett, Gabriel Davis, rated rookie for the Bills. Got a Aqib Talib, Devontae Adams, and Kid Reporter. Yeah, Patrick Mahomes is always good, man. I had one break where I had 7 Patrick Mahomes. I couldn't believe it. And he's steadily going up. Better save those Patrick Mahomes. Need to keep going up. Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan. Another one I can't read. Jelani Tavai. Kirk Cousins. Got an Aaron Donald. Action All Pros. We got Cesar Ruiz. And talking about Patty Mahomes, there he is. And Carson Wentz. think we've hit hardly anything on Steelers yet. I can't recall. Of course, this just we're just I think it's the third package in of this box, this first box. We got Darius Leonard, Young Ho Chu or Young Ho Koo, Nick Bosa, got Eric Kendricks, we got Leonard Williams, Christian Fulton, Chris Jones, and Alshon Jeffrey, kid reporter. Got DJ Moore, Jack Doyle, Tremaine Edwards, Drew Brees. There's a nice one of Gronk, Legends of the Fall. Got Jalen Reagor, rated rookie for the Eagles. And we got Joe Mixon and Minka Fitzpatrick. See what kind of game Gronk has tonight. I hadn't seen him catch a pass yet. We got Corey Littleton. We got DJ Shark. Tyler Lockett. Deontay Harris. Nice one, Jerry Rice. Darrell Taylor. There's Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Jake Lambert and kid reporter. Sam Darnold, Aaron Donald, Max Crosby, Austin Hooper, Chris Godwin. There's Derek Brown, rookie card, Brett Favre, and Jerome Baker. Kamali Curry, C.J. Mosley, Leighton Vander Esch. We got Myles Garrett. There's Colin Johnson, rated rookie, canvas. There's Tyler Johnson, rated rookie for the Bucks. Jason Peters and Tom Brady. Tom Brady, he's won 3 straight now. Oh, thanks, Brett. Caught one for 13. Yeah, I guess I missed that one. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. And we got Colin Johnson canvas for the Jaguars. Rated rookie. Alright, last pack of the Donruss. And we got Anthony Miller, Mitchell Trubisky, Montez Sweat, Bradley Chubb, Emmitt Smith. We got Terrell Lewis for the Rams, Juju, and Tyrann Mathieu. Alright, we'll do the Chronicles next. 2020 Chronicles. There's a piece of fuzz or something on it. And Michael Pittman Jr. Got James Morgan, Dalton Keene, Brian Edwards, and we got a T. Higgins on the Phenoms. Nice looking card. T. Higgins for the Bengals. Got Brian Herring, Jerry Judy, C.D. Lamb, got Cole Kmet, and Brian Herring. Cole Kmet on the crown roll. Royale, as you would say. C.D. Lamb on Prestige for the Cowboys. Jerry Judy, Prestige for the Broncos. DJ Dallas. And we got an auto, Josh Metellus. On the playoff, we got Jalen Hurts, Jared McKinney, and there's Jonathan Taylor. That's nice. Let's see, Josh Metellus goes to the Vikings. To the Vikings. There goes to Dustin. Let's see, we'll just move him down here. And we got Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. And we got DJ Dallas, rated rookie for the Seahawks. And Jonathan Taylor on the XR. He's had a pretty good start this season for the Colts. Alright, we got Jake Fromm. Isaiah Hodgins. There you go. Nice looking Joe Burrow on the absolute. Utur Gross Matos, if I can say that right. Then on the optic, we got Colin Johnson. Colin Johnson, very rookie. And Mr. Joey B for the Bengals. And we'll go ahead and sleeve up Jake Fromm. Alright guys, we'll go into the 2019 now. We'll start with Absolute. Alright, Evan Ingram, Derrick Henry, Aaron Donald, and we got a green of Ed Oliver. And Jelani Tavai. Let's turn these over. Kid Reporter. We got Irv Smith Jr., O'Shane Exines, and Riley Ridley. Green parallel of Ed Oliver. Alright, we got Kenyon Drake, Drew Brees, and for the Rams, we got a patch. Absolute rookie materials, Darrell Henderson. Yeah, we'll put him over there. Got Hollywood Brown, introductions. We got Easton Stick, a little Jordan Humphrey, got Nick Bosa rookie, and LJ Collier. Nick Bosa for the 49ers. And Mr. Hollywood Brown for the Ravens. Going to Dory. Ravens. Alright, Cortland Sutton. Got Jimmy G. Zeke. And we got a Rams trio. Brandon Cook, Jared Goff, Todd Gurley. Yep, let me just turn these over. Just a kid reporter. Brian Burns. Benny Snell Jr., another good rookie. Another one. Gardner Minshew for the Jaguars. And Hunter Renfrow. 3 good rookies. For the Raiders. Going to Jay. Gardner Minshew for the Jaguars. Going to Michael P. Appreciate you, Michael P., picking up the rest of those teams. And Benny Snell for the Steelers. That's going to Michael F. Yeah, it's true, Colin. It's easy to miss if you're not careful on those packs. Marcus Mariota, Clay Matthews, Leonard Fournette, got T.Y. Hilton green, got Dexter Lawrence, Quadre Olson, Darnell Savage for the Packers, and Dwayne Haskins rookie for the Redskins. Excuse me, the Washington football team. How many times I keep messing that up. Just so used to saying it. All right. Kenny Golladay, Andy Dalton, Julio, Terry Bradshaw, NFL icons. That's a nice one. And kid reporter. Tristan Hill, got Miles Sanders, Travis Homer, and Tyree Jackson. Tom Brady, Juju, Khalil Mack. We got Gridiron Force, Khalil Mack. Got Andy Isabella, Josh Allen. That's another nice one for the Jaguars. Keem Butler, and Jalen Ferguson. No Kyler Murray yet. Kind of surprising, or Danny Dimes. Tom Brady going to New England on this one. All right, we got Keenan Allen, Antonio Brown, Josh Allen, having a good year. Red Zone of Melvin Gordon, kid reporter. Got Keelan Doss, Dexter Williams. It's a nice Drew Lock for Denver. Cameron Smith. Drew Lock. One to Michael P. Alright, we got DeAndre Hopkins, Jameis Winston, Russell Wilson, Matthew Stafford green. Got Miles Boykin, Trey Greenlaw, Ed Oliver, and Alexander Madison. Alright guys, we'll do the 2019 Rookies and Stars. We got Cooper Kupp, Alvin Kamara, David Johnson, Amari Cooper. Got Debo. Got Action Pack, Luke Kalicki, Greedy Williams. Got Travis Kelce, Dalvin Cook, and Jalen Ramsey. Joe Mixon, Nick Chubb, got T.Y. Hilton, got Touchdown Club for the Rams, Todd Gurley, Precision Passers, Deshaun Watson, T.J. Hawkinson, got Carson Wentz, Cam Newton, Zay Jones, Deshaun, and Kid Reporter. And this is Alexander Madison. I forgot to sleeve up a while ago. All right, Joey Bosa, got Tom Brady, Kirk Cousins, George Kittle, and we got on another level Joe Mixon. There's a nice one, Airborne, Kurt Warner for the Rams, Rashawn Gary, Andy Dalton, AJ Green, and Jacoby Brissett. That's a nice looking card. Kurt Warner for the Rams. And Tom Brady going to New England. Got Ronald Jones. And we got a Star Search patch relic there of Bryce Love for the Redskins. That's going to Rick. All right. There we go. We finally got a Kyler Murray. Patch that, or sleeve that one up. I wonder if he's going to see Kyler Murray. Alright, we got Darius Leonard on the Action Pack. Brian Burns, Melvin Gordon, Adam Thielen, Julian Edelman, Jimmy G, and Kid Reporter. Larry Fitzgerald, Nick Foles, Stephon Diggs. What do you say, Daniel? Yep, the Rams got some pretty good cards tonight. Michael Thomas, another Bryce Love, Patrick Mahomes, star-studded. Yeah, Colin, I'm bad about saying Redskins, man. You guys have to correct me. Kirk Cousins, David Montgomery, Christian McCaffrey, DJ Moore, DeAndre Hopkins. Another Patrick Mahomes. Can't remember if that's 2 or 3. Baker Mayfield, Myles Garrett. Got Von Miller. Got Action Pack, Jamal Adams. Le'Veon Bell. Dylan Mitchell. Kerryon Johnson. J.J. Watt. Aaron Donald. Corey Davis, Kid Reporter. Joe Flacco, Sony Michel, Blake Martinez, Russell Wilson. Precision Passers, Drew Brees, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside. There's a nice rookie. Josh Jacobs, Le'Veon Bell, Mark Ingram, and Adrian Peterson. Yeah, Colin, man, I can't believe we ain't seen the Mims yet. Alright, our 2 hobby packs. Alright, we got Joe Flacco. We got Jimmy G. We got Jalen Ramsey. Lamar Jackson. We got Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. Timeless Talents. Bo Jackson. And our rookies are going to be Devin Bush and Deontay Thompson. Devin Bush. Let's see if this one will be a little better than that one. Very good. All right. Mitchell Trubisky. Got Eli Manning. Got Gronk. Chris Carson. And we got a silver. Jared Goff. Got Travis Kelce. I don't know if y'all can see that. 68 out of 199. Orange parallel. It's a good looking card. Then our rookies are going to be, that's a nice one, Dwayne Haskins, hey, and Kyler Murray. Yeah, I think Beckett's got Kyler Murray's base card in this at 20 or 25. Nice looking card. Alright guys, get ready to do a recap here in just a second. Let me get these other 2 sleeved up. Oh, sorry guys. Getting the camera, sorry. Been one of those days. And Travis Kelce out of 199. Alright guys, got a patch of Bryce Love, Devin Bush, couldn't really read that one, Josh Jacobs, Patrick Mahomes. Got Jalen Hurts. Dwayne Haskins. Got Tom Brady. Got Airborne, Kurt Warner. Alexander Madison. Got TJ Hawkinson. Got Drew Lock. Tom Brady. Got Josh Allen, rookie. Jonathan Taylor, rookie. Benny Snell, rookie. And Gardner Minshew. We got Hunter Renfrow. Hollywood Brown, Marquise Brown. Got Nick Bosa. CD Lamb. Got Ed Oliver, green. Jake Fromm. Got T. Higgins. Colin Johnson. Devontae Parker. DJ Dallas. Patrick Mahomes. Got Colin Johnson. Jerry Jeudy. Jacob Eason. Got Cole Kmet. Legends of the Fall, Gronk. Tyler Johnson. Got Tom Brady. Jalen Rieger. Aaron Donald. We got Tyler Lockett. Gabriel Davis. Joe Montana. Absolute rookie materials. We got a patch of Darrell Henderson. Nice looking Kyler Murray. Joe Burrow. Another Kyler Murray. Josh Metellus. And out of the 199, we got Travis Kelce. Got a silver. Jared Goff. And Dwayne Haskins for Washington. All right, guys, that's all we got tonight. And I'll be back here at the same time tomorrow. Hope to see you then. Enjoy the game tonight.